Hello everyone, how are you doing? Welcome to Django 3.0 series. In this video, we will see what is Django and why we can use the Django. So let's start with the first. What is Django? Django is basically a Python web framework which used to create a backend web application or server-side web application. In this series, we will see how to create a web application with Django with live example. Okay, so why we need to use the Django? So Django provides more simplicity, flexibility, reliability, and scalability in terms of developing a web application and APIs. So we will see how these features are useful while creating the web application and how these features are effect on the web application in this series. Okay, and Django is whenever we are using the Django, so we can create the web application very easily in the less time with efficient and effective way. So it is might be save the developers time, also saving the developing cost. So as we know, the time is equal to money, so Django is very useful in this scenario. Okay, why this is useful? So whenever we want to start a web application very quickly, so Django is provide the quick start with any web application by giving some fixed amount of code. So that is very useful, and that is actually saving the time of any developer. And Django is using the MVT structure to create a web application like model, view, and template. We will see how this model, view, template structure is creating inside of Django. And Django is using the Jinja 2 language for creating the template. And for example, if we want to create the different modules inside of Django, then we don't need to create the each and every files of modules manually. Django is providing the we can say sample module or the predefined module by executing some commands. Okay, so that is also basically saving our time while we want to create the module. Another feature is Django is having the ORM. ORM is useful to handling the database queries, and ORM is basically a object relational mapping. Okay, so how this ORM is useful? So whenever we want to use the different type of database system inside of our Django project, so according to the different type of database system, their SQL query might be different. So whenever we are using the ORM, so that time we don't need to handle each and every SQL queries of different type of database system inside of our Django. Okay, and because Django ORM is handling that SQL queries according to the connected database system to our project, so we don't need to worry about that. Whatever Django, whatever database system we can use in our project. Okay, and Django ORM is also prevent from the SQL injection, and Django also provides the more security using CSRF token whenever we are making any request to our Django server. Okay, if that CSRF token is not matched, then they will give us the error. We will see more about CSRF token, and if we don't want to use this CSRF token with any request, then how we can make that type of request. So we will see each and every details in this series. And Django is also useful to create the REST APIs, and this REST APIs we can create using the Django REST framework package which are available in Django. APIs is basically application programming interface, and how these APIs are working. Basically, let's say one example, if we want to get user data from server, then this REST API is basically creating the request, and that request going to the server and using the browser. Okay, this REST APIs we can access through the browser, and browser is actually using the HTTP standard and HTTP methods like get, post, put, delete. So here we want to get the user data from server, so that request will use the get method, and that server will fetch the data from the database and give the response to that particular APIs. Okay, and that API response you can use at multiple platforms or multiple web application, like web application or mobile application. Okay, so you don't need to write the same logic for multiple platforms or multiple type of application like web and mobile app. So that's why these REST APIs are very useful. The REST APIs are basically used to handle the request and response using the HTTP standards of browser. And we will see how these get, post, put, delete methods are working, and how we can create the different type of APIs using these HTTP methods. Okay, in this series. So I hope you have understood the how Django, what is Django and why we need to use the Django, and what we will learn in this series. Okay, so stay tuned. Thank you.